Hello everyone, I am at State Institute of Hotel Management. I am Mukund from College Dunia. Today I am with Mr. Aniket Trivedi sir. He is Assistant Professor at State Institute of Hotel Management. Welcome sir, welcome to the College Dunia portal.
Thank you for having me. Myself, Aniket Trivedi. I basically take care of front office and tourism management at State Institute of Hotel Management. When I'm talking about front office, it's an operation related to the guest cycle. Here in SIHM, we teach students and we stimulate students on a property management system, that is IDS 7.0, which we stimulate students in various areas of guest cycle as well as various ancillary areas such as revenue, finance, HR, payrolls, etc.
Thank you for your brief profile sir. On that note, I'm just moving on to the questionnaire section. The education system in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can an inbound student can gain from the studying here at your university?
When we are talking about the basic structure of hospitality education in both inbound and outbound, these course area or course subjects are similar, but what we know in India or when we are talking about inbound education of hospitality is that Indians are known for its hospitality. So no other civilization can tell what is Indian hospitality except Indians. So I believe that a person or a student who is studying hospitality should learn or get knowledge or get skilled in Indian hospitality, and the best environment for Indian hospitality is India.
That's very nicely explained, sir. Very nice view over the Indian hospitality there. On that note, my next question is, how does the curriculum of State Institute of Hotel Management ensures the best practice of the industry?
When we are talking about developing skills and learning and getting knowledge, inside knowledge on hospitality education, we compare various curriculums of various central institutes, state institutes and private institutes. So there is a huge amount of difference between curriculum of each of them. But when we are talking about curriculum at State Institute of Hotel Management, it is designed in such a way that they are given the knowledge for all the core departments as well as the ancillary departments, which are the most important departments in the hotel industry. When we are talking about ancillary departments or such as HR, sales and marketing, finance, payrolls, and security, hotel engineering, architectural engineering, French, etc., etc. These are some of the components which we have in the curriculum. But when we are talking about the relation of core department and ancillary department, they are the most backbone to the core departments. They help the core departments to function properly. And in our syllabus, we have an in-depth knowledge and we stimulate students at various forefronts in the ancillary departments as well as core departments.
That's very insightful information about the curriculum for State Institute of Hotel Management, sir. My next question would be, what would you like people to know about your institutes that they may not know to yet?
When we are talking about institutes, there are many institutes in India who are giving degrees related to hotel management or hospitality management or tourism management. And in particular, I'm only focusing on State Institute of Hotel Management, where we have a huge set of inventory, huge set of architecture. We have all kind of machinery, equipments, which help the students to stimulate their skills to develop, add part to the industry, what the industry standard requires. They get the knowledge of those functions, those SOPs, those procedures, etc., which are required in the coming future of hotel industry, as well as what are the current trends and requirements of the tourism and hospitality industry.
That's very informative, sir. On that note, I'm just moving on to my last question. Any suggestion would you like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
We know that a huge amount of loss is being incurred by our country, our whole world as well, in the form of COVID-19,
yes.
COVID-19 pandemic. So we are trying to build our own space once again. Tourism and hospitality industry has gone up, far down what it used to be, especially in India. So when we are talking about these after post-COVID scenarios, we are looking forward to those aspiring students, those aspiring talents who would bring the tourism and hospitality industry to the back scenario or to the par scenario, which every individual who is giving their own part and who is giving their participation in all the structure development or tourism development from a pin to a tourism industry. So they are involved in that, and I personally want everyone who is a part of hospitality industry or who is aspiring hospitality industry in coming future should come to forefront and work for tourism and hospitality industry to get the position back in India as well as abroad.
That's very good suggestions for the students, sir. On that note, I'm just ending my session. This is Mr. Aniket Trivedi from State Institute of Hotel Management, Siddhpur, Gujarat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for having me.